Nouns. Antibody. Equivalent. Mood. Prop. Script. Sitcom. Adjectives. Astonished. Bilingual. Breathtaking. Cardiovascular. Fake. Fascinated. Genuine. Hearty. Irritated. Pediatric. Puzzled. Remarkable. Tasteful. Telling and responding to a joke. Did you hear the one about? Do you get it? I don't get it. I have a good one. Real talk. Blow me away. Cheer you up. Getting to. Killer. To tell you the truth. jazamalokilajajo1399@gmail.com. Vocabulary. Appetizing. Booming. Delectable. Exorbitant. Extravagant. Famished. Immense. Licensed. Phenomenal. Picky. Soggy. Succulent. Non-separable. Phrasal verbs. Call for. Come across. Come from. Go on. Look into. Run into. Tire of. Turn out. Catch up on. Come down with. Come up with. Cut down on. Drop out of. Feel up to. Get along with. Get away with. Get down to. Get rid of. Load up on. Look down on. Look forward to. Make do with. Run out of. Take care of. Distinguish. Maintain. Skip a meal. Substitute. Waft. Burn off. Figure out. Fit in. Give up. Gobble down. Point out. Put on. Send back. Take off. Take out. Talk over. Tell apart. Think over. Throw out. Throw away. Turn down. Turn into. Wake up. Whip up. Nouns. Aroma. Debt. Delicacy. Existence. Feast. Gratitude. Indulgence. Pastry. Peak. Quandary. Staple. Taste bud. Toxin. Vendor. Offering, accepting, and declining food and drink. Can I give you some more? I'm stuffed. No thank you. Thanks, I'd love a little. Please help yourself to. Some more. Thank you, but. Would you like to try the? I couldn't eat another bite. Real talk. Come to think of it, quite the something. Have a sweet tooth spread. In no time whipped it up. Jazam alokilajajo 1399@gmail.com. Adapt. Canter. Gallop. Honor. Speculate. Whistle. Nouns. Bond. Compassion. Consciousness. Duration. Exterminator. Intake. Life expectancy. Mammal. Recovery. Residence. Adjectives. Abstract. Aggressive. Alert. Deliberate. Disturbed. Domesticated. Marine. Hampered. Asking for advice. Could you advise me on? How should I handle it when? I really need some advice on. What do you suggest I do about? Giving advice. I strongly advise you to. If I were you, it would be a good idea to. It's not a good idea to. Real talk. 24/7. Back to the drawing board. Calling the shots. Get to the point. Hang in there. Jazam alokilajajo 1399@gmail.com Consider. Disapprove. Dread. Inherit. Motivate. Peak. Reason. Undergo. Vanish. Condition. Diagnosis. Dilemma. Disorder. Downside. Ethics. Potential. Controversial. Ethical. Genetic. Moral. Preventative. Reluctant. Responsible. Tempted. Treatable. Giving an opinion. As far as I'm concerned. I feel, I believe. I would think, say that. In my opinion. It seems to me that. The way I see it. Real talk. Blow the whistle on. Call. I wouldn't put it past him. Rotten. Jazam Alo Kailajajo 1399 @gmail.com